Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase engagement with CVS, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining what Customer Value Survey, or CVS, is. Understand that the purpose of CVS is to gather feedback from customers about their experience. Identify your target audience to ensure you're reaching the right people. Create a concise and engaging survey that reflects your goals. Make sure your questions are clear and straightforward. Incorporate a mix of multiple choice and open-ended questions for deeper insights. Use visual elements, such as images or rating scales, to enhance the survey's appeal. Promote your CVS through various channels, such as social media, email newsletters, and your website. Incentivize participation by offering rewards, like discounts or gift cards. Set a deadline for survey completion to encourage timely responses. Once the survey is live, analyze the responses systematically. Look for trends and common themes in customer feedback. Utilize data visualization tools to present your findings effectively. Share the insights with relevant team members to facilitate discussion. Develop action plans based on the feedback to improve engagement. Follow up with customers to show that their opinions are valued. Consider regular touchpoints with your audience for ongoing engagement. Continue to refine your CVS process as you gather more data. Implement changes and monitor their impact on customer engagement. Stay informed about industry best practices to keep your surveys effective. Incorporate customer suggestions whenever feasible to strengthen loyalty. Lastly, never stop asking for feedback, it's essential for continuous improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.